Hey guys, this is Ali with Solar Flare Trading. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to go ahead and check out the video. This is going to be something going to be pretty new here for the channel. Mostly, I'm doing reviews, different type of product reviews for different type of trading EAs, excuse me, brokers, etc. But I also want to document my journey doing some daily recaps with my options trading. And I've been, I don't know if a little of you, might not know, but I've been day trading anything from forex to futures for probably close to 7 years. And I've never really dove into the options world a lot. I don't know. I just always stayed away from it. It was complicated. And so now I'm really want to go ahead and give it more of a try. I'm not an expert when it comes to options, but I am quickly learning at that point, and I want to go ahead and do a small account challenge. So just want to take my skills that I've learned over the years, trading forex and futures, and kind of apply it to the options world. I see a lot of individuals online, making really good money from options trading. That's great, and just want to see if I can try to duplicate some of that success. So I want to go ahead and start a daily recap of uh, of my small account challenge for everybody to kind of review and keep up with. We'll be starting with $1,000. And as far as with goal, I don't really have a goal in mind as of just yet. I don't want to trade crazy. Still a small account. Maybe start ramping it up when we get to about $5,000 or a little bit higher. But for right now, we'll be trading with just $1,000. So I want to just go ahead and shoot my recap videos. I'm gonna try to do these at the end of each trading day, whether I'm in a trade still or exited, so you can kind of keep up to see what my profit is so far. And that's really it. So let's go ahead and jump into it. I'm going right now. I decided to take a Twitter call play. Looking at it earlier today, really like what I saw as far as it on the charts. Let me expand this open here. Like what I saw on the charts as far as from earlier. I'm looking at the daily time frame. So it's just here where you can kind of see. Excuse me. So as you can see, we're in a solid, strong uptrend. All right, with Twitter, as you can see at this point. And I've seen already we got one bounce to happen here. We had two bounces, and I'm looking for a third bounce, okay, off of the trend. And that's pretty much what my play is consistent of. Now, also with that being said, we do have uh, we do have a support area right here, as you can see. Price came down, formed the low, came back up, broke down, and now it acted as resistance. Now this same level is being respected as support. As you can see here, it came down, it popped up again. Now it came down to another time. So we got a pin bar as far as here on this move, and it's shooting for a buy option here right now. So pretty much the basis of my wanting to take this trade is twofold. One is bouncing off of the trend, okay, off my trend line, and two is bouncing off of support. All right. So those are my two ways of confluence of wanting to go ahead and take this trade. And the call that we did was a 47 put. I'm sorry, a 47 call, indicated by this green line. All right. As you can see, this is the 47 uh, call that we got into today. And here, this blue line, these two blue lines, this is a Fibonacci, my Fibonacci levels. So if I go ahead and take this off here, put on my fib, let's see here. All right, throw my fib on. Okay. All right. So what you can see here is I'm trying to take do a take profit. Sorry guys. Okay. Trying to do a take profit here, which is the 38 as far as with percent pullback level here, depending on how it acts. So once it gets to this level, if we get a strong buy candle on this, then I'm looking to possibly take it to the 50. All right, the 50 retracement, which would be at about $50.21. All right, if it hits this first level, Fibonacci level, the 38 level, then and if it starts to consolidate at this point, then I'll exit the trade. But if I get a strong pop going right through that 38 up to the 50, then my exit would be try to get out at the 50 mark. All right. So that's kind of was my thinking on that on Twitter. This is a daily chart. I do all of my trades, any option trade, I start off with a daily. And as you can see here, this blue line coming down, that's my expiration date, which is going to be the 29th. All right. So the 29th, which would be Friday of next week. So this trade has till Friday of next week to be over $47. All right, for the stop. So we had a good pop today. And let me go. Oh, and the broker that I'm using is TD Ameritrade. Go into my account. Okay. So TD Ameritrade, here's my broker. You can see here, real account, real time connected. Here's my account. All right. So this is not demo. As you can see here, we got a $57 open position from the trade earlier today. Now, I believe the trade cost me, 121. So basically, it was $121 to go ahead and open the trade. So you have to have at least that much capital. And right now, we're sitting at about $57 profit, which is really good. The market today was crazy. I mean, it was uptrend all day. And as you can see, here's my orders I filled for the call earlier. I know it's probably hard to see this on your phone, but basically this is where I'm at. It's $57 right now, which is my profit, which I'm pretty excited about. So we got a really good start on that. And if I go back to TradingView, just to kind of show you kind of what I look for. This is trading on the NASDAQ. Okay. Twitter. And today was just, I mean, this is a daily chart, but this is the daily candle. As far as we're here today, that thing was just shooting up like all day. And then if you even go down to the smaller time frames, let's say about the hour, this thing was trending all day. I don't know if it was due to the inauguration with the President Biden, but it was awesome. It was great. So as we all know, what goes up must come down, and so tomorrow I'm looking to take a hit tomorrow. So I'm thinking that if the market's going to have a pullback because it just was an animal today. So I'm thinking we might have a pullback somewhere within there, even on Twitter, as you can see. Let me go to the 4 hour. Even on Twitter, as you can see, we had a good pop up. Hopefully, we can just ride that momentum. In the morning we do a gap. Probably push us up to that level. That's wishful thinking, but we'll see how that plays out. So right now, that's it. Real quick before I let you go, my next trade, I'm kind of on my watch list is going to be American Airlines. All right. So American Airlines, I'm watching American Airlines really tight here. So if we look at what we got, kind of got a ascending as far as with here. We got our trend line coming down plus going up here. So we had to bounce already one time. What I'm looking for before I enter this trade, I would love, and if you can see here, this came down. I still got my fib on here. Hold on, let me take that off. Let's see. All right. So as you can see here, I would love for it to break my trend line right here and close above 1666. All right. If the price comes up and closes above it, then I'm going to get into a buy on American Airlines and go ahead and ride that up, especially since it's bouncing off of this support zone. As you can see here, see, this was resistance, resistance, resistance. It broke, and now that resistance is acting as support. All right. And mostly you can see it here on the daily. So as you can see, this is resistance, broke the resistance, came back down. Now it's acting as support. So hopefully we can get a ride back up and probably around, try to look for take profit around 18, maybe $19, depending on how it's acting. But this is I'm watching American Airlines as far as right now. So far, so good. We're up, but we'll see what tomorrow has in store for us. Until then, hope you guys like the videos, doing the daily recaps for you, kind of what I'm watching, what trades I'm in, and we can really get this small account challenge started off the right way. As always, please like and subscribe, comment, and if you got any questions, let me know in the comments below. See you later. Bye bye.